Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to increase your Snap score on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. So let me tell you guys, to increase your Snap score, we must send a snap to some friends or we must receive a snap from other friends too. So that's how you can increase your snap score. So let's see guys, you can see I have this snap score, I have this much snap score on my Snapchat. So let's check it guys. For instance, I sent it to myself and I've opened it. And also be clear that your snap score will only increase if your friend open your snaps. So here, as you can see, my snap score is same, but after a few times or few minutes it will change, and that's how easily you can increase your snap score. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.